Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to make the origami F-22 Raptor. As you can see here, I made a few pre-crease so it's easier for us to follow. So our first step is going to be this. We are going to fold the bottom of the paper to the top and make 1/2. After you do that, you are going to fold this part up to this 1/2 line. After you fold it into 1/2, you're going to make this line right here. And now you're going to fold the bottom up to the 1/4 line. Now after you do this, you're going to have to fold this part of the paper, the 1/8 line, up to a 1/4 line, like so. Now after you make this fold, you're going to flip this part up, and then you're going to fold this side. You're going to fold the bottom up to this line right here, which is the 1/8 line. Just like this. After you make this line, you're going to open it, and you'll see 5 parts. As you can see, I already drew it out. And after you do this, after you got 5 lines, you're going to fold the paper into 1/2. After you fold the paper into 1/2, you're going to open it and flip the paper over. Once you do that, you'll see 4 lines right here, which is look like a wait, no, not yet. After that, you're going to find the second line counting from bottom to top, which is this line right here. And you're going to look at the 5th line, which is this line right here. Now what you're going to do is you're going to fold this angle, like this corner of the paper, up to here. Just like this. And now you're going to fold it backward. And you'll make this line right here. Once you fold it like this, open it, and it'll look like this. Now flip it over. What we're going to do now is this. You're going to, as you can see, this is the line in the outermost layer. So what you're going to do is this. You're going to fold this part up to the middle right here. And do it the same to the other side. After you do it to both sides, you're going to, here, let me show you. You're going to fold it down like this. Make sure this line in the middle is connected to this line right here. Now once you do this, you are going to fold this corner up to this 5th line right here on the top. Now you do the same to the other side. Now after you finish this, you open it up, and then you're going to see this line right here, which I have already drawn out. You're going to fold this part. You're going to put your finger in first into this pocket right here. Now you're going to push, and then you're going to have this line right here up, just like this. And now you fold it down. Make sure this is going to be complex step, so you have to follow up. So you're going to fold this line right here up to here. And now you're going to flatten it. After you do this, do it the same to the other side. So lift this part up, and now you're going to fold on this line. and then make it go up to this part and flatten it. Now, once you do that, you're going to fold this and make it go under it. Just like this. So now it's like this. Do it same to the other side. You lift this part up, and then you're going to fold the whole thing under it. Now what you're going to do now is you flip the model over. You're going to see these two edges, this and this. And now you're going to have to fold the whole piece of paper right here onto this line. Just like this. This is how it looks like right now. Now what you're going to do is this. We're going to find the 1/2 point, which is somewhere right here on this line. Now you're going to draw a line like this up to the edge right here. Now you fold it up. And once you fold it up like this, you're going to make a fold that looks like this. Once you do that, do the same to the other side. Try to make it as similar as possible. Once you finish folding this, you're going to open the model a little bit like this, and you're going to fold this part on the top like this. So it went from, let me show you again. So it went from on top over here into the bottom, just by reversing everything. Just like this. Once you flip the model over, you're going to fold this part of the paper up to here. Wait, no. This part on this side. You fold it down like this, and you're going to make a line like this. So you just fold it like this, and do the same to the other side. Alright, so after this part, you're going to fold this part into the center line. Now do the same to the other side. Just like this. Now open it up, and then you're going to fold this part. What you can do, lift this part up, and then you're going to make a fold that looks like this. Now you fold this part down. Now after you do this, you have this little flap. And you're going to flip the paper over like this. And now you're going to hold this two part just like this. And you open it. And it'll look like this. After you do this, move it out. once you do this, you'll see it will look like this. Now what you're going to do right now is if you fold this line over, you will see a little bit flap right here. I'm going to draw a line for you. It'll be like this. You open it, and right here, this is where the line is. You're going to make a fold right here. Just right down a little bit. Just like this. Now you're going to fold this part down on the edge of the paper. Just like this. So this part might be a little bit hard. So if you can do it, just try to make the easier planes. Just like this. Now fold it down just like this. Now do the same to the other side. Lift this part up. And now just do what you did to the other side. Now once you finish this, you're going to fold this flap up. You're going to see this part right here. Right here, you're going to fold this part down. So the airplane would just look like this. Now do the same to the other side. Just like this. Now I'm going to fold the paper into half, so to make sure it is symmetrical, just like this. Now your next step, you're going to do something like this. You fold. As you can see, this line is like, you want to fold a line that is parallel to the center line. You fold it like this. And you do the same to the other side. Now after it's parallel, you're going to leave this part, which is the back of the airplane, like this. Now you're going to flip the whole thing over. Now the next step, you're going to just make the normal airplane base. Wait, no, before that, you're going to, as you can see, this is center line, and you're going to find the center of over here. So by doing that, you're going to have to fold this part up to here. Now you're going to fold a line like this. Don't fold too much, just make a small line like this. Do the same to the other side. Now after you do that, you have lines that look like this. What you're going to do is you fold the corner up to this line. Do the same to the other side. What we're going to do now is you're going to see this part of the triangle. I'm going to draw a line on it. You fold it down this line. Now after you do this, then you can fold the airplane base. Once you finish this, you're going to do a fold that looks like this. The center right here, the tip of the airplane, you fold it down to the bottom over here. Now after you finish that, you're going to fold this part back up, leaving at least 1 centimeter. At least 1 centimeter right here from of this part. And now you're going to fold this part up. Now once you do that, you're going to try to fold this part of the top into center, just like this. And then you're going to flatten the model and make it look like an airplane wing. Just like this. So it'll look like this. Now once you do this, you're going to fold the airplane into half. Wait, no. What you're going to do right now is you're going to fold. Wait, no. You're going to have to open everything just like this. You're going to have to fold the tip a little bit. Now you're going to see fold. As you can see, you have this line right here. You're going to on the back side is going to look like this. Now what you're going to do is you make this line go up to this part, which will make the airplane's head smaller because the head of the airplane is way too big. Try to make it symmetrical. Now you're going to fold this part up and right here, and then you're going to do what you just did before. Now once you do that, do the same to the other side. Now once you do this, you're going to fold this part of the paper airplane for a straight line like this. Just like this. And after you do that, you'll reverse fold it, and this will be the engine. And now do the same to the other side. And by making it symmetrical, you're going to fold the airplane to half. Now once you do this, you have something that looks like this. You're going to inverse fold it and then fold it outward, just like this. You fold it inverse and then you fold it out. Just like this. Now after you do that, you're going to fold the airplane to half, just like this, and then just fold it like the normal one. Just like this. Now the next step you're going to do is it's going to be a little bit confusing because you're going to make cockpit. Now right here you're going to open the second layer. Right here, you open it, and then you push from bottom, and now you're going to make a shape. You're going to make a shape of the cockpit, just like this. And now you fold it up like this. Now once you do that, you're going to, you see, as you can see, there's two parts right here. You're going to fold one of the, wait, no, fold both apart into, no, just like this. You stick it in here, and there you're done. Well, this F-22 version is easier. It looked more realistic than the other version because of the head is smaller here. Oh yes, and next airplane I'm probably going to make the Su-37. This one they actually have a landing gear right here, as you can see, and yes, it flies just like the F-22.